mentorship advantage. Basically, a mentor maps the entire PMP concepts to your exact specific domain, and therefore you get to study at your own pace, and you do not have to be hurried, or you do not have to work according to the rest of the batch. And every week area of every student is identified and personally addressed, and it is not done in a batch wise and a group wise manner. Also, non-IT project examples is used so that people who do not have an IT background are also able to understand the material. Also, PMI application is also filled by the mentor on your behalf. These are our mentors who will help you through the entire process. Now, these are the real success stories of non-IT professionals who ended up getting a PMP certification using INSEC Academy's training. Mr. Suresh R was a site manager and now became a project director at L&T. Same with Dr. Meena, who ended up who was an R&D lead with 14 lakhs per annum and is now a clinical project manager at a PMNC pharma firm. Same with Mr. Vikram, who was a production supervisor with 9 lakhs per annum, but is now a PMP certified PMO at Tata Motors. Now we'll see the career transition roadmap. First is to confirm your eligibility, and that is to make sure that you have a bachelor's degree and 3 to 5 years of project management experience in any domain. Second is enroll for free at INSEC with zero upfront cost, and then your one-to-one mentorship starts immediately. Third is that you have to complete the 34-hour mentorship, which is compulsory. And this will be very easy as it will not exactly have IT only mentorship. It will have all sorts of mentorship. It will be personalized according to your industry interest. Then the fourth is the PMI application, which the INSEC team will file for on your behalf. Then you have to finish the 20 mock exams and 2000 plus updated questions, which is updated according to the new format, which is going to come in the July 2026 exam. And the sixth is to pass PMP using our zero study technique with INSEC's help. And seventh is to negotiate your salary, which is by using the already existing PMI data and to negotiate your salary in your domain. And only after you get the certificate, you get to pay. You will have to pay INSEC for the training and certification. So what are you waiting for? It is now time to get started with your mentorship with INSEC, as there is zero risk and 100% success guarantee. I hope this presentation was informative. Thank you.